Hey friends, so we're currently here at NAIA Terminal 3 because we're flying to Korea for the very first time and it's currently 3:56 p.m. Mamayang 7:35 payilipad natin, right? Yeah, 7:35 pa yung flight namin and maaga kami pumunta dito kasi akala namin maraming tao but surprisingly, onti lang yung pila sa immigration. So, medyo maaga kami. Hindi medyo, maaga talaga but like, it's okay, at least we're settled na. Hello! We're finally here in Korea and we already passed the immigration. So, pwedeng-pwede na mag-celebrate at sure ng matutuloy ang trip. Nakabahan kasi ako nung una kapag masyado ako nag-celebrate agad-agad kasi baka mamaya hindi kami papasukin here sa Korea, yung mga ganon. But like, thank you Lord. Safe naman kami nag-land here and we passed the immigration. Belt 9, no? So, dun tayo. Here kami sa Belt 9. Hey friends, we've finally settled here sa hotel. Nakapag-check-in na kami and hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi like guys, sobrang lamig. As in, mahapdi sa balat. Kind of lamig. Hindi siya joke, hindi siya cute. Sobrang lamig talaga. As in, mararamdaman mo talagang nanginginig ka and ang hapdi niya, hindi siya funny, hindi siya cute. But yeah, dito na kami. We're currently staying at Air Sky Hotel and then check out lang din bukas. Let me give you guys a quick room tour since maliit na naman yung room. So, pagkapasok nyo, ayan lang yung may kita nyo. Here sa left, ito na yung napaka-cute na banyo. Meron lang dyang bowl, of course, sink, and then shower, and then towel. Yeah. And then, ito yung kama. I think double na to or queen size, I'm not sure. My couch dyan na very cutesy. And then here, wala siyang balcony. Akala ko nung una balcony siya, but like you can open this. Ayan. And then, ito pang isa. OMG. May ano-ano pa ng snow. Like, kahit hindi nag-snow, nagsasnow, yan o. So cool. At least nasabi ko nakaranas ako ng snow. Oh my gosh. Tuwan-tuwa. For some reason. Kahit naka-skirt ako, hindi ako masyado nilalamig sa legs ko. But my hands, kahit naka-gloves na sila, oh my gosh. So freaking cold. And So, free taste.
Pila mo yung ginalan? Tulusan? Ihanin lang.
Item, free tape pa sa lubos.
Di Joe Island ba mamal?
Kanino ko? Sino ba ko? Sana na to. 551. Yeah.
Sobrang daming free taste doon sa store. So, I got one. Sa lahat ng free taste ko, ito yung pinaka nagustuhan ko. This is 18,000 won. And I converted it. It's around 784. Ayan siya. One last time, I'm gonna hold an eyes. Ang tigas. Thank you na lang. Nakapag-settle na kami here sa panibagong hotel namin. It is located in Sokcho. We're currently staying at Chesterton, Sokcho, Korea. And, oh my gosh, I like this hotel better than the first one na we stayed at. Kasi, bali makakatatlong hotel kami niyan. Yung previously kagabi, and then yung ngayon here sa Chestertons. And then bukas nakalimutan ko yung pangalan ng hotel. But, so today was fun. I didn't expect na super challenging pala ng ski. Talaga, and it was so cold. Pero, I'm thankful kasi at the same time, medyo maaraw din kanina. Nung bandang gabi lang talagang lumamig. And I'm sorry kung ganito ako magsalita because nagsisimula na akong sipunin. For some reason, like, kasi sobrang lamig here. So, ito yung weather ngayon. 1 degree lang. And yeah, ipapakita ko pala sa inyo tong hotel. I mean, a little room to rest. Sorry if medyo makalat na, but like pagpasok mo here, may sink lang dyan and laundry. And, of course, the bed. And here sa bandang side na to is merong couch or sofa, whatever. And then may coffee maker din doon. And then ayan yung mga stuff namin. And then, look at the view, guys. I really like this view. Kahapon kasi parang may view naman, but like, mas okay to, mas maganda to. Yarn. Look at that. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Yarn. Haul ko na rin pala sa inyo guys, yung mga napamili namin sa Good to See You na convenience store. So, may bayad pala tong plastic which is 100 won and 4 pesos lang siya sa peso. So, it's all good. So, yan. Bumili lang si Jojo nito. Snack daw namin to tomorrow if magbebiyahe. Kasi punta na kami Seoul bukas after ng trip namin here. And then, another snack na hindi ko malaman. Na-curious lang siya sa itsura. But like, shrimp siya. Of course, my favorite. I'm gonna try this one tonight. Baskin Robbins na parang Oreo siya eh. So, ang tagal ko nang hindi nakakapagmatamis, nangihina na ako. So, and then of course, the famous banana milk. Hindi pwedeng hindi namin itry ito here sa Korea. And actually, si Jojo lang yung titikim na to kasi hindi ako masyado mahilig sa banana. We got this then. Ayan, mukha lang siyang masarap. So, yan yung binili ko. Bukas, dahil nga nade-deprive na ako sa matamis, I bought 2 Kit Kats. Para to sa biyahe namin tomorrow. And then, hopefully, bukas ng umaga, makapag-convenience store kami before leaving. Kasi, gusto namin magkape. Hindi kami nakapagkape today. Oh, may binigay din pala yung tour guide namin. na hand, heat pack, and then mask. Gamitin daw namin to tonight since nga sobrang lamig and kailangan ma-moisturize ng aming face. Guys, again, tomorrow, magsisettle down na kami kasi it's gonna be a long day tomorrow and it's currently 8:32 p.m. So, try namin matulog on or before 10 p.m. kasi maaga-aga din yung breakfast bukas. I think 6:50 a.m. magbubukas yung restaurant or yung buffet kinambero. So, ayun lang. See you tomorrow. Okay. Gusto ko na pala i-vlog to. Iti-taste test natin siya if it's good. OMG. OMG. Nasira yung nori. Ayun. Taste test. It's not bad.
Oh. Oh, sarap.
Ba't parang ang ano na sa'yo?
Kaya nga eh.
Trying out pretzels here sa... What do you call this store?
Sure.
Sora Mountain. Let's try. Here's the pretzel. I didn't own credit card. Oh, really? Oh, very comfortable. Init. Pwede naman siya patulogin. Let's go. One, two, three. Wala na masyado makita here sa Nami Island, but sorry guys if bihira lang ako nakakapagsalita and more on montage to or like puro videos. Ang hirap kasi mag-vlog kapag maraming tao, and guys ang lamig, ang hirap mag-vlog din kapag naka-gloves. So ngayon meron ako, where is that? Meron ako nito hand heater pack, I don't know how it's called, but like yeah, sinasalba ko nito pag sobrang lamig. Caramel frap. Tall.
For here, take away.
Takeaway. That's frap, right? Yeah.
Ano yung cortado?
What's cortado?
Cortado is like latte.
13.
Ayun na yung fiancé ko. Dala niya yung SB ko. Hi, fiancé. Thanks for the drink. How was it?
Sarap.
An order mo, Dolce Vita?
Dolce, latte.
Yeah, mine is dark caramel frap. And I like it. Now at Lotte World. Got the tickets. And my ring. Wow! Here's our dinner. And then kimchi for my love, of course. Tadakimasu!
ピンクビルで山小屋にへ大事なポリを召しするチキビー
Hey friends, so it's another day. Kumakain namin ng breakfast. Actually, namamadali na kami kasi medyo late na. And ang hirap mag-vlog guys, kaya puro montage na lang halos yung mapapakita ko. Sobrang sarap ng breakfast. Panalo. Ito so far yung best breakfast na natikman namin. Oh yeah, Melay.
Jason and Melay.
Samgyetang.
Panabong yata to natin sir.
Enjoy lunch,
Hindi ko nagustuhan yung samgyetang. I'm so sorry. Kaya bababa na lang ako dun sa may CU na convenience store para bumili ng mga kain and then coffee. Ayun! Makakakain na rin ng bakla. So, what are we gonna get? Guys, amoy sweet potato here. Wait, ito ba? I don't know what to eat. Parang gusto kong bumili nito. Oh, fuck. Ate girl. Thinking about getting this, pero mamaya na to sa hotel. And then, bibilan ko rin si Gab kung ano ba, hazelnut. I feeling ko ito yung gusto ni Gab. Here's their menu. Brown sugar latte. Brown sugar bubble latte. What's the difference? Bubble latte. I-order ata natin eh. Let's see if it's good. That's pala yung ring. Oh, sorry.
나는 짜장. 나는 짜장. 전
Ha? Parang puro ice. Pero merong selection ng ano.
Kami kasi,
Akala ko ano lang siya, parang
Sarap guys, legit, ang sarap. Try nyo to, brown sugar latte from Mega Coffee. And I think 130 pesos lang siya sa peso. Gong tokboki.
Boki.
Yay! Ooh. Uy! Gwapo naman ang hari na to. Panghari daw yung costume niya, friends. Gwapo. Pwede ko ba kiss tong hari na to?
Oh, bili ng jewel in the palette.
So nice here. Kaso, bitin yung lights. Dinner.
Excuse me, your member? 91,301. Card? Yes, enter your card here.
Ang mukha ng lalaking may fiancé na hindi nagpapigil sa Olivia. What the good? I don't feel bad na I spent so much sa Olivia kasi minsan lang naman ako here. Meron pang mga skincare dito guys, but I don't think it's still part of Olivia. Last day in Korea. How are you feeling, Lablab?
Excited pa din. Mas excited pa din. Dahil pa rin tayo pupuntahan.
Hapit. But here's the view. Akala ko magsusnow today, but like more on ulan pala. We also got Xiaolongbao. Then yan pala for breakfast. Tadakimasu. I bought my first amethyst. So excited. First time ko magkaroon ng jewelry na amethyst.
Para sa yung ganito.
Parang sa'yo na ganito. Ito yung sa'yo. Kunting maliit ay malaki sa'yo. So, ayun. Ba dyan? Ganun.
Happy. Ang ganda.
Freebies.
They also gave us freebies.
Ito yung maliit.
Ito naman, kompleto siya masupa.
Ang daming pwedeng pagpilian, guys.
Maybe. So this is Han River. Wow, beautiful, right? 33 bridges, Han River. Places to rest. That's why, you know, Korean during summer, actually...
Food choice. Because I always do that. Okay, that's great.
Because coffee shop?
Better, right?
Type ko sa GC natin.
Wala silang rice na vlog.
Wow.
Thank you. Myeongdong. I don't know if you guys can hear me. But like, nagsisimula pa lang yung mga stores mag-open. Oh, look, there's ABC Mart. Yeah, ayan, nagbubukas pa lang yung mga stalls. Rolling around here and syempre, round 2 ako ng Olive Young because minsan lang me here. Sobrang nakakalito. Like, ang dami kong gustong likuan, puntahan, pasukan.